Hello, Regin. What a lovely day.
Hello, Sly Fox. It is ended.
I have some delicious food at my house. Would you like to come with me and have a feast?
That sounds nice, but is it safe?
Of course, it's safe. Come on, I will show you.
Redhead hesitates, but follows Sly Fox. Sly Fox leads Redhead into his house. As soon as Redhead is inside, Sly Fox grabs her.
Now I have got it. Regin, you will be my dinner tonight.
Oh no, what will I do?
Sly Fox ties the sack and leaves to prepare the cooking pot. Redhead inside the sack gets an idea.
I need to get out of here. Oh, I know.
Redhead pecks a small hole in the sack and slips out. She quickly fills the sack with heavy stones instead and sneaks out of the house. Sly Fox returns, not knowing Redhead has escaped. He picks up the sack, thinking the hen is still inside.
Oh, this bag is heavy. Regin must be plumper than I thought.
He carries the sack to the cooking pot and dumps it in. But instead of a hen, only heavy stones fall out.
What? Stones? Where's Regin?
Ha ha ha, you can't trick me, Sly Fox. I'm too clever for you.
Falls again.